Alright, hello. So today's daily problem is string to integer, also known as atoi. If I've done this one in the past, um, I don't remember it because I don't remember how to do it. And also, if my throat feels kind of weird today, or if it sounds kind of weird, it's because I just choked on water. So yeah. So basically what they want us to do is probably the fact that this has so many dislikes probably means that there's a lot of annoying test cases. And from here, it seems like check if the next character, if not already at the end of the string, is minus or plus. Yeah, so we're gonna want to try a plus 42 and a minus 42. Also, we want to read in and ignore any leading white space. So with that note, we should try all of these with one space in front of it, and then all of these with like two spaces in front of it, and then maybe like three spaces after this, something like that. Okay, then read in the next characters until the next. So the property I saw here that I think is going to be the hardest is this one here, because um I don't think you can do like if it's less than or equal to a certain number, because if it's greater than that, it's not going to be detected either, so we're just going to have to count the length. So we know the maximum integer is max int. I'm just going to hard code this in. Um, and then the min int is going to be have an 8. This is going to be a negative. So then when we have this here, if we have something like this should round, this here should round down to this. And similarly, if we have something like this should round up to this, according to this. So we're clamping it. And then this has like 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Like 10 numbers. So actually, yeah, we can make some helper functions, but first we need to um what the next non-digit character is. Okay, this is going to be very hard. The space character is considered a white space character. So here, do not ignore any characters other than leading white space or the rest of the string after the digits. What does that mean? Do not ignore any characters other than the leading white space or the rest of the string. I'm kind of scared that this is gonna be. If no digits were read, okay, then the integer is 0. In that case, we're gonna have how are you doing? This is gonna be 0. And then if we have minus, we can even have minus how are you doing? And then finally, I'm guessing if you have like a negative 15 like this is just gonna be 0 also. Same with like plus 15. God, there's so many edge cases here that we have to consider. So we're just gonna go um one by one. Um yeah. So we're gonna have an isDigit method. S- Um, isDigit boolean. I can't think today. Int position. I don't know why I can't think today. I think it's just because, oh, my brain is fried. Um, return s.char at, this should be index, not position. That's how fried my brain is. Like I always call that index, but I called it position instead. Char at index. Okay, and then this is gonna tell us if it's a digit. Um, if it's a sign, we just detect that. Hold on. Okay, so this is gonna tell us if it's a digit in very simple terms. Uh, okay, so first we need to find the sign, or we need to find the first non-white space character. So int index equals 0. Um, while index, how do you tell if it's white space though? Is there a quick way to check for whites, or we can screw it? S. It's usually okay to check the Java API because they don't expect you to know all the stuff. So if you do trim, leading and trailing white space omitted, so that should deal with that. So yeah, property 1 is taken care of. Okay, and then we need to read the first character in. String char sign. We're gonna assume it's positive. If um sign equals positive, negative, I think, then sign is going to equal negative. Else if sign equals positive, we're going to increment our index. Let's create our index equals 0, which is the index within the trimmed string. So index plus plus here, index plus plus here, because we process the sign. And then anything else we're going to, yeah. Okay, so now we're going to create a string. Actually, let's call this start index, which is will only either be 0 or 1. So start index. Okay, and then end index is equal to start index, I think plus 1. But also, what if s length is 0? So if s length is equal to 0, wait, what the heck? S dot char at 0. Uh, S dot char at 0. Okay, S dot length equals 0, return 0. While and index. Okay, while it's a digit, gonna increment and index. This will go to the end. And also we need to see if end index is less than s dot length. So here it would be a 1. Let's need like a. So in these two cases, it's already out of bounds, and hmm, this is when it exits the loop invariant here is that either end index is at the end of the string or it's at the position of the first non-digit after the sign. So because of that, we can ignore everything starting at end index. So s equals s dot substring is it start index? Oh shoot. Start index, end index. Okay, and I will say, so if s dot length is equal to 0, you just return 0. Um, Otherwise it's a number. Uh, what's the maximum length of the string? 200. Oh, so we want to clamp it. So we'll make a private int clamp string s. Then we'll also put in the design. Okay, so s only contains a number, so we're gonna say s equals remove leading zeros. Okay, if I pass this on my first try, that would be great. And that probably means that I have done this one before. Um, turn s.substring I, otherwise return 0. Okay, so now this has no leading zeros. Um, and then we need to see if sign equals plus, then return. Actually, yeah, we only have to do this stuff if s.length is greater than how many? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10. If it's greater than or equal to 10. Because otherwise we can just do okay, return parse int s. Great. Okay. Int parse int. And this means it had less than 9 characters. So we're gonna return something. Oopsies. Return something here. Need a star sign. Result equals turn 0. Otherwise, since we removed the leading zeros, it is non-zero. So for int I equals 0, I is less than int I plus plus. result times equals 10, and then results plus equals s dot char at I minus this 0. And then this should autocast to an int. Okay. And then finally, if sign equals negative, we're gonna do result times equals -1, return result. Okay, that's a parse int. Otherwise, oh boy. We're going to um, the last 9 characters. Um, so if we just do the last character, it's gonna be -1. So it'll be -9. String last digits equals last digits equals s dot substring the length -9. Okay, then we want to do something different based on the sign. So if sign is equal to minus um, parse int last digits. Okay, so if it's a negative, actually, oh, shoot. String first digits equals s dot substring 0 to s dot length -9, and then int beginning equals parse int first digits. And if beginning is greater than 2, then we're just going to this sign is equal to minus and return integer dot min value, else return integer dot x value. Otherwise, I'm gonna do something else. If beginning is less than 2, if it's equal to 2, oh shoot, sorry, if it's equal to 2, if it's less than 2, then it's gonna either, it's like a 1. It has to be a 1. And that means we can return parse int of s. Or actually, it'll just exit out of here. Yeah. So, oopsies. yeah, so instead of returning parsent, it'll go here. But if the beginning is equal to 2, then we want to see um, if sign is equal to this, or if it's equal to positive. So if it's equal to negative, it needs to be um, oh shoot. Um, so there's like a thing where the min value goes over 1. So we will say if um, last ending hmm, is great. Yeah, in that case, we'll just return the min int. If the ending is greater than this number, or if it's greater than or equal to this number, I'll just hard code it. Otherwise, we're going to oh shoot. Otherwise, that means it's 2 and then something less than this, which the max of that is ends in a 7, which is a integer max value. So we should just be able to parse int ending square and equal to 147 3 648 char dot max. I think that is fuck is digits takes in s and index actually. Parsons needs to take in a sign. I don't feel good about this. Okay. Four, seven. Okay, we're getting there. So we have a bunch of zeros at the bottom here. We got a 2 instead of a 1. When they should be negatives also. Okay, some of them are negative. Oh, God. Um, oh wait. Yeah, there should be a plus. There should also be a plus. Because we don't care about signs for that. Okay. What else? What else? What else? What else? What else? What other test cases might there be? Put a tab here maybe? Or, hmm. Jeez. I'm definitely forgetting something. Um, we do like one less than this. I'm gonna submit. I don't think it's gonna pass. There's always that one fucking test case. Oh, how the fuck does this not pass? We removed the leading zeros. Unless my removing zeros case just doesn't work. Yeah, of course I didn't think of testing that. And of course it just happens to be broken. Great. Oh my god. I bet this returns something weird. You fucking serious? Oh, of course it returns something fucking stupid. Oh my god. What does substring do then? Oh my god. No, that's my bad. I should have tested that. No, okay. No, yeah. No, that's what it does in JavaScript. Wait, but it should just go to the end of the string then. Yeah. Um, like, it's just awkward. Yeah, isn't it? Why is that 0? So if I is not equal to a 0, we just return everything from that point to the end. Um, oh my fucking god. You can't be serious. I missed one test case because of this. You can't. Oh my god. Fuck LeetCode, man. Okay, I don't know where it's getting this from. I don't know. Um, that's very strange. Wait. Oh no, this shouldn't. Wait. Yeah, why am I doing this? Yeah. Oh my goodness. Can't believe it. Yeah, my brain's not working today. If it equals 2. Wait, what? If beginning is greater than 2. First digits dot length is greater than 1. Or first digits first digits dot length equals 1. Oh, it has to be at least 1 because s dot length minus 9 can't be 1. Yeah, okay, so char at 0 is greater than this stupid fucking 2. First digits dot char at oh my god. Oh no. Well, eh, my acceptance rate is crying right now. Bro, it just keeps going down. I can't believe it. That was a medium, right? Okay. This needs to go up over 50%. Oh my god. Okay, like the second one was understandable. The like the second the error on this submission, like that's understandable. But like what the fuck on this one? Because I put no, yeah, that's my bad. I should have yeah, so if you're like, oh, my logic is so correct and you don't bother to test it, you're stupid. Okay, yeah, I don't like this one, but at least we're done. All right, see ya later.